Shoot, I think you weigh more too much. I ain't no wind keeper. Hold on. Hey, pay me some.
Go get it.
Why we about to cook us a bird?
Bird time. That's a burnt bird.
Nah.
Hey, he coming back alive tonight.
He gone for good now though.
Ants is trying to eat him.
They got a fennel on when I found. Them more gonna be burning for a good little minute though.
Yeah, cause the alcohol. Look, it burning his beak too.
That's what I'm saying though. Cause they already all up in them.
Yeah. It'll be a burnt soul.
That wind keep on blowing, he gonna blow it out.
Dead bird. Hey, bird man gonna be sorry.
Bird man gonna be mad.
Oh, flame kicking in over here.
Huh?
There's a flame kicking in over there in that bit. Woo!
No,
Woo!
I don't think Jesus like that.
Okay.
Listen with his creation. I should just bury him when the fire go out though.
Yeah. But she don't see no hawk out there in the sky now, you know. It wants
You ready to kill him too?
shoot, okay, we shoot that, we'll be okay.
I'll start killing birds.
Hey, it was 2 or 3 woodpeckers out there yesterday.
No.
Right there on that tree. I said, "Don't, man. Little water gone." I said, "Golly."
Man, that white call here.
No, y'all had left, remember?
Oh. Shoot. Man.
Got a head. His head on fire now. It's just the head now. It's out.
Is that?
Yeah.